Sometimes you get so mesmerized by this town. Termini Imerese is a charming seaside town on Sicily's northern shore, where history, the sea and culture come together in perfect harmony. This town, overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea, has drawn people for over 2,000 years, from Greek settlers to Roman emperors. The town traces its origins back to antiquity, when the Greeks founded it as Termini Imerenses, after the nearby city of Himera was destroyed in 409 BC. What drew people here back then, the healing powers of the natural hot springs, still attracts visitors today. Even the Romans came here to relax, and several ruins from their time remain for us to explore. One of the highlights is the Roman ruins, impressive thermal bath, an ancient amphitheater, and the beautiful mosaics. It's easy to imagine life here thousands of years ago, as patricians and soldiers gather for bathing and conversations. In the historic center of town, medieval churches, Baroque palaces and narrow alleyways blend together. Locals often greet you with a smile, and perhaps a tip on where to find the best gelato. The cathedral, first built in the 15th century, reflects centuries of faith and architecture. Besides its rich past, Termini Imerese offers stunning views, seaside walks, and easy access to both mountains and sea. Its strategic location also makes it the perfect base for exploring other parts of Sicily. Palermo is less than an hour away.
The traffic in Palermo is beautiful chaos. If you think you've seen wild traffic before, just wait until you get to Palermo. The streets here are living. They're a breathing dance of scooters, cars, buses and pedestrians, all moving in what seems like total chaos. And yet, it works, somehow. There are scooters everywhere. They buzz through narrow alleys like wasps, often with 2 or 3 people riding, and sometimes even a dog perched in front. They appear out of nowhere and weave between the cars with incredible skills. Aren't there rules? Yeah, kind of. Traffic lights exist, but they are often treated more like suggestions. Blinkers are optional, but eye contact and quick decision making are essential. Locals have a sixth sense for traffic flow, and what looks like the madness to outsiders is just another normal day here. We often go to Palermo. Why? Because it's the vibrant capital of Sicily, a city of contrasts, where crumbling palaces meet lively markets and centuries of history echo through every street. Founded by the Phoenicians and shaped by Arabs, Normans and Spaniards, Palermo is a true mosaic of cultures. Every Sunday in Palermo, there's a vintage flea market at the Piazza Marina. It's always nice looking around, maybe buy some stuff. We like it. Palermo Cathedral isn't just a church, it's a timeline carved in stone. Built in 1185, its majestic cathedral has seen empires rise and fall, and each new ruler left their mark, turning the building into a fascinating mix of styles. Its origins date back to the time of the Normans, but you also spot arabesque arches, Gothic towers, Baroque domes, and neoclassical interiors. Why? Because Palermo, like the cathedral itself, is a cultural melting pot. Over centuries, conquerors and kings remodeled the structure to reflect their era and taste. From the golden glow of the Norman Palace and the Palatine Chapel to the mysterious Capuchin catacombs, Palermo tells stories that you won't find in guidebooks. Its architecture is a blend of East and West, Byzantine mosaics, Baroque facades, and Arab domes all coexist in stunning harmony.
Someone that wants to use you, someone that wants to get used by you, someone that wants to abuse you, someone that keep your head up, hold your head up, keep your head up, hold your head up, keep your head up, hold your head up, keep your head up.
Alright, now you have some knowledge about the area where we live. Let's see what we have to renovate this time. The terrace is done, so we ate all our lunches there. Why? Because of our renovation. The kitchen was not that bad actually. Not nice, but with some small works it was going to be our perfect kitchen. It was a lot about painting, but it also contained some violence. Paint on the tiles is a special paint we brought from Sweden.
We chose a kitchen from IKEA, and it was delivered to our door from Catania. From a Moroccan seller on the Friday market here in Termini, we bought some leather belts. We made them into consoles for the shelves. Smart, huh? Of course, as always, we had some problems installing the new faucet. We are so lucky having Angelo nearby. He fixes all of those problems. So this is the before pictures. What do you think? Please write in the comments. Time to have some coffee. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, click the like button. If you want to see more from us on this journey, hit the subscribe button.
Ciao.